Ma'am, this for exhibition your stall is here. So what do you like to say?
Yeah, basically this is a project called okay. This is a project called AMI. AMI means us of like us group of people. In this we have friends who working, and this is based in Salingaon. And then we have molds of all different souvenirs here. And these all souvenirs designs are given by Dr. Subodh Kelkar. And the Subodh Kelkar is founder of the Museum of Goa, which is based in Pileni Industrial Estate, and the project is handled by Sharda Kerkar, who is daughter of the Subodh Kerkar. And yeah, basically this is all products are talking about Goan old traditional and Goan based things. And this can be hanged on a wall. This is a old traditional window and door. And in this we have a sizes like this. This is a bigger one, this is a small one, and this is like miniatures. And yeah, and he is the Vasco da Gama. Basically, everyone knows about him. This one. And yeah, we also have some keychains and magnets there. And these are the elephants. These are all made out of paper mache and crabs. Some keys. Keys are like opening your memories from Goa. Yeah.
Ma'am, when you been a part of this Army Goa?
Ami Goa, I'm working since 5 years ago. Yeah, and Ami Goa is also part. It's started before that only actually. This is growing well. Yeah.
What's your qualification and what made you to be a part of Army Goa?
It's not about. I have not done like graduation, but yeah, I'm very creative person. Like creative as in I love art. I am not artist, yeah, but I love art, and I'm enjoying working with the Army Goa and Museum of Goa.
Others also been working for the Army Goa, other staff. How's your communication with them?
Yeah, communication is very good, very friendly, and we invite people with like friendly. We serve whatever service is available.
Some of the artifacts are like Goan artifacts. Like when you give the details for the outsiders who come as a customer. So what is the basically conversation be like?
Yeah, we always welcome people with a smile, greeting them, and talking about the museum and talking about some own history through contemporary arts. And then we come towards our windows, magnet, chilies, and handmade products.
As you said, you are not an artist. So over the years, when you got the experience from here, what do you learn?
I learned multiple things by working with the Museum of Goa and working with Sharda Kerkar. And yeah, I'm very thanking for Sharda, because of her I have learned many more things.
Ma'am, any message from your side? These students are getting into startups. Any message from your side for them?
Startup is in like, yeah, I always want to inform our students to visit the Museum of Goa. Once you visiting, then you will understand what is basically the art and modern art. Through contemporary art, he is talking about Goan history. So yeah, many students are coming to our Museum of Goa also, and they are very fascinated with the history.
Ma'am, last question. For many of the people who visit Goa, they make a point to visit the Museum of Goa.
Yeah.
Have you gone any other state when you visited such museums?
No, actually, I am not into that visiting other museums, but yeah, I am very anxious.
Okay, ma'am, your full name?
My name is Sukanya Naik.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
No, if you want.